In this guide, I am going to show you how to buy crypto on P2P in Binance. Firstly, open the Binance app, then go to the P2P page, then select Express in the top left corner. Tap Buy, then choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency, and select your fiat currency, then enter the amount you want to purchase. Click Select Payment Method to proceed. Now tap Preview Order to check the order details. Click Place Order to continue, then copy the seller's payment details. Use your verified payment method, and once the seller confirms the payment, they will release the Bitcoin. The BTC will be credited to your Binance account as soon as the deal is done. And that's it, you've successfully bought Bitcoin using Binance P2P Express. Let me know if you need more help in the comment. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.